Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tuxedo P101 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to open our camera app, so let me do it. And then we do not have to really enter the video mode, but all we have to do is to simply unroll the options which are in the left side in order to be able to tap on the three dots icon, because it will open different set of the settings which are connected with the whole camera. So first of all, let me kind of unroll them and then tap on the settings. Now we have to tap on resolution and quality, and as you can see here we've got the video section. We can change the resolution for the back and the front camera separately. So let me pick for example the back camera, and as you can see after tapping on it we've got three different options from which we can choose. So HD, which is currently applied, SD and CIF. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. Let me pick this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.